And I'm gonna go through the gift shop, I guess.
Yeah. I don't know where that is, but yeah.
That's the Vikings.
Yeah.
Children, behave.
I have 90 FPS. What the fuck?
5, 4,
Good at video game.
3,
Eh.
1.
Yeah, I gotta get better at the video game to raise my frame speed. Hog, Junkrat. Yo, I'm gonna take top first. They have Ryan. They have
David
four
turret, top right.
Yeah, they do it.
I'm on it. It's
They have
dead.
Ryan as well. Huge.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yo, I'm gonna go on point behind them. Okay, ready?
Fuck my life. Oh,
Huge
wow.
anti, huge anti.
They're all on neon point right now. I need max. Orbion's on me.
Junkrat slow. Fuck this Junkrat. Alright.
I'm on high ground.
How come people ask
Help!
But I can't. There's a Mora behind this. Can we get this Mora? Good spot.
Are we resetting? Is this a reset?
I think this is a reset. I think we can run far right here. And then we don't need the Genji no more.
Oh, I didn't make it out.
Do we want to keep
go
going?
Mercy. I'll go
Why don't we just farm up Nanoblade EMP?
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, we'll do that. And then after that, if that doesn't work, we'll probably switch.
I am
It's just
behind
that,
them.
like, playing Genji against
I'm behind them
Pokemon
on
is like
balloons.
really hard.
Wait for Dom, and also, like, I need to get set up before everyone goes and
Yeah.
calls for all.
So the Torb's on fucking the balloons. He just dropped his turret.
Here, I'm gonna annoy the shit out of them. You can go in, Nazareth.
Alright.
Torb's half.
Yep.
On both?
Ryan's charging on me.
This Ryan's super split.
Ryan? I'm pushing Ryan. Oh, I'm gonna die. Fuck. I have 56 health. I'm gonna get a mega.
Nope, I got fucking rock again. Yep. I'm at 72% EMP though.
Yeah, I'm close to bleed.
Yeah.
It's alright, no it's. Just reset. They have Tyre, they probably have Reinhold, they might have Torbjorn. No. It's just that playing Genji into Torbjorn turret is really, really hard. We have Dano with the MP.
Yeah, the turret's not bothering me right now.
Okay, I'm past him. Again.
I think we should be able to wipe him. Junk's top right by himself.
Alright. I'm ready when you are. What am I,
try to hack
Hog no hook.
Nano over point?
Yeah, you can go. Mercy's hollow knocked up right now.
No,
Everyone's
missed
knocked
it.
up. That's right. I think it's still winnable as long as we get. No, never mind. Hybrid, hit your shurikens on a stationary Junkrat, please.
let's go.
Alright. I think we could switch to pharmacy here. And then
I can have EMP.
Yeah. Hybrid just switched to far here. And then, yeah.
I'm hiding.
Yas.
Whew! That made me nervous, but I am here. I am good. I'm gonna go on balloons, and then I'm gonna fucking jump in and EMP the entire team when you guys are ready.
Just go in the middle and just EMP them. It's fine.
Alright.
Ready? I'm gonna knock Ryan behind. Ready? I'm doing it.
Yep.
Good EMP.
Two of them are like paying attention to me in the back.
Turret's down, we can EMP. That's big.
Ryan's low.
More on point. Yo, Mercy resing, Hollow resing. I'm gonna die to
Ryan's
fall.
one, right?
Ryan one.
Ryan's still one, yeah. Yo, can you res me, Xenia?
No.
Ryan's one. There's a more on Xenia.
Anti point.
I think we have to kill this DPS.
Hog down.
Yeah, we gotta kill this Moira behind this first.
Got it. She's down.
Nice. I'm on Moira. No, she's not down.
You're not down. Sorry, I killed something else.
I'm on,
Go. Fuck this Torb. Fuck this Torb.
Run.
Red's down. I'm on Ryan too. Ryan's hella knocked up. If you wanna fuck him, yeah. Torb's gonna be on point, watch out. No, he's dead. Yeah, guys.
Look, you're hacked. Down.
Oh, I got fucked by Torb. Why does he do so much damage? Thanks for the res. Sion it. Try to Sion it.
I tried.
I was
alright.
pretty sure I was on it.
I think we try to switch to fire a little bit quicker.
I couldn't do anything with the Torb turret.
Yeah. Oh, with as Farah?
Yeah.
You just have to stay outside of range and show it first and then come in.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, like Farah counters it.
It shut me down before I could.
No, the Torb turret is rough as far.
I know what you're saying, Lou. I know it should, but it shut me down.
Especially with
Because
pharmacy.
Playing.
Uh.
Fine.
Yeah. And then.
Okay, Nova or Kerrigan?
Kerrigan.
Alright.
Much better
Sports.
striker.
Sports.
I think we could run on. and
Onazen?
then- Yeah.
Onazen?
And then I think we can
Genji?
run.
Genji?
No.
Or Pharah? Or double sniper, Hanzo?
Yeah, I think Hanzo. Just because they're probably gonna run a stationary car.
I mean, you kind of have to focus the Torb and try to get him down because they'll just keep throwing turrets up every 8 seconds. But
Like,
I
was trying to do
laugh.
stuff- I was like, I
Yeah.
was 100 HP. What trying to deal with?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, like when I'm wrecking a team with Pharah and they bring out a Torb to try to counter me, I always laugh.
Stage the tanks. We'll talk about Pharah and Torb later.
We're up here.
Takes, I see you on Griffins. If you go down to the low ground, I will have to rotate to see you.
Alright,
Yep.
if Hybrid's gonna be right, I will be
I'm
left.
probably gonna come back so we're good.
Attackers incoming.
I can see you fine from where you are.
Defend
Okay.
objective A.
Hello Junkrat.
He's one.
Junker.
Hanzo? Mercy.
Hanzo, Mercy.
Zen,
Guys,
Zarya and Mercy.
just wait for them to rotate, hide in you.
Junkrat's diving.
Junk's hell is
Junk 1.
Mercy one.
Can I get there, monkey?
Yeah.
Ryan's going on a Hanzo.
Watch out, see you can't help you. I'm on Ryan. Yo, fuck on this Ryan.
Well, they saved the shit out of that Junkrat.
Ryan's one. Ryan's dead.
Huge.
Junk on point. Oh, they're resing Mong.
Mercy's
Yeah,
left.
can we get this
Mercy's
jump?
left. He's left. On stairs, right?
Mercy south. I can help you. Actually, I have to go on this Ryan
She's
first.
anti.
I'm sorry.
Zarya's on me.
Zarya's one.
Mercy,
Zarya's
yeah,
hollow
point.
one.
Mercy,
Mercy
one.
dead. Mercy dead. Oh, never mind. Mercy dead now. Ryan. Nice. I can go on Zen. Ready?
Got him. Down.
I'm on Zarya. Zarya's trying to get out.
Hanzo two. Hanzo statue.
Yeah, I'm gonna get Zarya first though, because she's gonna have to really soon.
I just saw a flash on the left.
Okay, nice.
I don't know what the hell I saw. I saw a flash of red on the left.
Okay.
Ryan shield is like
Got a Widow
500.
now. Play safe from the Widow. Ryan's no armor.
There's Zen's dead.
Down.
I'm on Ryan.
Ryan no shield. Ryan no
Yeah,
shield.
They have a Widow as well. Be careful of the
Get
Widow.
there, monkey.
yeah, I know. I had to prime him. It's alright though. I got
Yeah,
Ryan.
Mercy's pinned down. Mercy's pinned down in Griffin Ride. She's just hiding.
Junkrat right.
She's half.
Wait, what was
D
gonna
no
die?
DM, no DM.
I'm
I'm
on a
stuck
reset.
on something. What the fuck?
I'm getting out.
Good shit. Ryan's.
Zedia. Thank.
I'm killing a Junkrat. Hold on.
Nice pick. Yo, I'm rotating on Ryan here. You can't do
Ryan's
anything.
coming Eagles.
Watch the tire spread.
It's probably me, to be honest.
I missed it. Fuck.
It's
Sorry.
Ryan's Griffins. Ryan's hella Griffins right now.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Junkrat's on me. Junkrat down. Nice, huge Zen. Did you?
Oh, I need to get out. I got
Junk
stuck on
Zen.
Griffins.
Zen's coming with Junk
Nice.
on the left.
Thank you.
Whoa.
Or I mean, Zen's coming with Ryan on the left.
Come on,
Go top
Zen's
right.
down here. Zen's one.
Ryan's pushing in.
That fair is
Keep
Discord.
Discord on Pharah.
I'm on.
Ryan's got 800 shield.
Pharah down.
I'm on Pella Zen right now. Zen is so free.
Ryan anti. Ryan anti.
Ryan no shield. Ryan no shield.
I'm on Reese one. Nice. I'm on Zen.
Mercy res. Farah.
Mercy. Follow Mercy, dude. Mercy's one. Mercy's dead. I'm on Zen. Zen's on point.
Pharah down.
Okay, I have to try more. Because I was gonna die.
Ryan's got shot. He's half. Huge.
Still getting out. Dang. They have Reaper now. And they have Doofus. Yo, Doofus coming.
Doofus left.
Mercy half.
I can get on Doofus here.
I'm out.
Yeah, he's on me.
Reaper's down.
Come on, Mercy.
This?
Mercy's one. Mercy's one. Resing.
Mercy res the Reaper. Down.
Nice picks, dude. Nice pick.
Ah,
This is Reinhardt. I'm shattered.
I just didn't know where you were.
Ryan 1. Nice.
Reaper one. Or Zani behind the shield about to right center point.
Got her.
She got like 3 health.
Got her. I think that's game.
No,
Is it?
11 seconds. 11 seconds. Constant vigilance, boys!
Reaper left. Reaper
left.
center. No Wraith. No Wraith.
Nice.
Huge!
I can't believe we won that, to be honest.
Yeah, to be honest, I didn't think we
I had less faith than I've ever had in us before, and here we and oh, what?
Wait, what?
What?
I didn't do anything.
What?
I thought this was gonna be casual
What is
headshot
this?
the entire team.
Yeah, you thought it was gonna be me for one of my like 5-3 kills?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is this gameplay?
I'd like to thank the Academy for giving me the fucking shaft.
I just want to play Busan, man.
Wait, give me a second. I need to go get some water, please.
Okay. I mean, queue time's gonna be like 5 minutes anyways. I'm just gonna let it
It's
run.
been instant queues all night.
Fine. Then I should probably get water as well. I'll be back.